Take a picture of it out and make
Do things on my own.
Yeah.
Oh no! Wait, is he?
Yeah, I was like,
like but you waiting for the same
thing.
hi-fi whatever.
Yeah.
What was it?
DJI.
I'll just take a picture of it out and make.
It's a compliment because like you look pretty. We're going fast and
We do.
we got a good spot also. Yeah,
That's fine.
you can have it with from
Oh, nice. What do you want to say?
Yeah, I think the coffee is not a bit bad.
Takeaway strawberry milkshake.
Is that the sound from our
Yeah,
conversation?
so the clear conversation. Don't say something controversial.
Oh, child, I don't want to get cancelled. Even though nobody knows me, I don't want to get cancelled.
I like this hairband. Yeah,
Thank you. What's got it from
it
Cotton
just
On?
keeps your hair back.
Honestly, like, my hair's a bit messy right now, so just
Yeah?
like, you know what,
Yeah.
put the band on and because it was too
And
early
you
in the
have
morning.
It gives a clean piercing. I wanted to get more piercing and I was like, scared.
So, like, this is my favorite one because like
Do you
a
got it
stab
here
alcohol.
also? Oh my god, this
Like,
is so unique
oh,
because
this one I was born
I've
with
never
it,
seen
that-
someone does like on like this like this.
I'd like
Oh,
never seen
this
it.
is so
like,
beautiful.
Because I went to get my ears pierced and the
Yeah.
lady was like, "Oh,
I
do you
wanna
want to do
follow
a double thingy?" Was like, "Girl,
What is that?
you got too many piercings now, don't you?" Because she was like looking. Oh, I got my baby pierced as well.
Ear? Wasn't it
Yeah.
like extremely painful?
It wasn't because like they use numbing thingy,
Okay.
so like you don't really feel anything until. Because even after, obviously it's leggings,
that's
but
okay,
as long
okay.
as you don't like put things like on it.
But I have
it's
a
gonna
habit
be
of
okay.
having high waist.
That's
thing.
the thing. So I had to kind of like maybe like wear less jeans and more maybe leggings because they're a bit softer. I don't know. I don't know how I did it.
That's a lot of work. I really want to do that. It just looks so cool.
It's nice when you got like your belly out. Because
Yeah.
I feel like there's something for people to look at besides my belly. Like
I was into this piercing and I was always like into like I was like maybe I should get a piercing on my head.
I wanted to do that, but my cousin put me off. Because basically she went to get her nipples done and she got one. It was so painful. She was like, "It's fine, you don't need to do that other one." So she only got one nipple pierced, yeah. Because she was like, it was that painful. I was like, "It's fine." But then she had already paid. She was like, "Keep the money, it's fine."
Oh really? Keep the money.
Literally, I feel like the pain, because I don't think you can put any numbing cream on your nipple, because I'm guessing it's like a sensitive area. You can't really put numbing cream. So you just have to like firm in. But my thing is, when you start breastfeeding, do you think it would come out like
with this
like everywhere?
yeah.
Just wondering. I was like, what happens then? Because you would have to take it off. You can't breastfeed with an earring.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's just gonna be funny. A little sprinkler.
Splash, yeah, like
It's gonna be a little sprinkler.
that's like a really crazy thinking, but it would happen. This is cute, isn't it? I think this is my favorite part of this. I don't know. This is my favorite part.
As well, so it
I really
looks
like
adorable. I like what it sounds like when people speak into a mic when I really see
yeah.
when they like tap things. I'm just like, ooh.
Exactly.
But why did they say that the mountains are blue again? Because I kept wondering why they were called the Blue Mountains. I was like,
Yeah, because the
surely,
trees
like,
are like
green.
not even blue.
Exactly.
But when you look
Then
at
it makes
the distance,
sense.
and can you see that thing? A little bit blue here.
Yeah.
But when can we see the blue thing? And I'm very excited to apple pick.
Me too.
Yeah.
It just sounds like a really fancy thing to do.
Yeah.
And like I've never thought to do it. So
Yeah.
like, that was like a $30 well spent. Because I feel like we're getting great value for money.
Yeah. Like,
Andrew got to me.
I keep on hearing from people, and it's like, okay. When I first got to Sydney, when I go to the like opera house, I want to take pictures and stuff. I always ask people to take me pictures.
Do things on my own.
Yeah, Sunny's making me look.
Bye, guys.
You guys can have mine too.
Thank you very much. What sort of food would you get? My double stacked ones as well. Like, it's so big, you can barely bite into it. Maybe it's a way to like keep people away. Like, don't come crowd the place. The food was so bad.
I like it.
I like it as well. Yeah. 20 minutes to take pictures. If we finish
To pay for the apples we pick.
yeah. My phone somewhere.
Yeah.
So this is good. Take a stroll.
And like, when I first got to Macquarie, I thought, is this a resort? Like, so beautiful. Yeah. Like golf resort, yeah.
Literally. Because I was just shocked to like see different beds. Honestly, because during my first few weeks, I was very much think about what to wear.
Hello.
Trying to pick an apple, but I'm not sure what a good apple looks like.
I think all of the
Sounds like an ad, doesn't it? Like,
maybe this one is better.
no, that one's not good. He's just like chilling by himself.
He doesn't give a shit or anything. He knows. Oh, that llama looks amazing. Never seen llama in real life.
This is so exciting.
Wow. Wow. Oh my god, that's amazing.
No, it's not baby.
Oh, that one's dry. The one's the green one.
Oh.
I'm just gonna bite my fingers now. There you go, babes. No?
So cute.
I got the green one for you as well.
Just don't be careful they don't bite you. Ooh. Oh my god. Hi. Hi, cutie. You're so cute.
Be careful though. Oh no, wait. Is he? He's like, girl.
I had one of my dog like this, but just in brown color. So exactly is what he's saying.
That is cute. Not the little family, not the animals bonding.
So funny. So cute. They're just. Look, he just touched this. Touched his body like this. He was like,
Oh, that one there.
like this. He was like this and then so cute. They're adorable. They're just so peaceful. Just eating the grass.
This girl is quite big, isn't she?
Yeah. Hey. He really likes you.
Because I'm feeding you. I don't know.
Some of yours. You know, I really like that one.
Yeah. How did it?
I keep looking into mine now.
Why did? Ew. Seriously. But
I'm so sorry.